Dear students, the common laboratory indicators like litmus, phenolphthalein, methyl orange can tell us whether the given substance is an acid or a base. They cannot tell us whether the given substance is a strong acid, a weak acid, a strong base, or a weak base. It means the common laboratory indicators cannot tell us the relative strength of acids or bases. Then how we will know the strength of the given solutions, or how we will determine the pH of the given solution? For this we are using another indicator called as universal indicator. Universal indicator is a mixture of many different indicators or dyes which gives different colors at different pH values of the entire pH scale. Since the pH of the solution depends on the concentration of hydrogen ions, so we can also say that the universal indicator shows different colors at different concentrations of hydrogen ions in the solution. When an acidic or basic solution is added to the universal indicator, the indicator produces a new color. The color produced by the universal indicator is used to find the pH of the acid or base solution by matching the color with the colors on the pH color chart, which is available in the laboratory. And knowing the pH value, we can make out whether the given solution is a strong acid, weak acid, strong base, or a weak base. It means by using the universal indicator, we can determine the pH of the solution, or we can know the strength of the given solutions. Just like litmus, universal indicator can be used either in the form of a solution or in the form of universal indicator paper or pH paper. Now let us see how a universal indicator paper will be used to measure the pH value of a solution. A drop of the solution to be tested is put on a strip of universal indicator paper or pH paper. The paper will undergo a change in color. The color produced on indicator paper is then matched with a color on the standard pH color chart. We can read the pH value corresponding to this color from the pH color chart. After knowing the pH value, we can tell whether the given solution is a strong acid, a weak acid, a strong base, or a weak base. For example, if on putting a drop of a solution on the universal indicator paper, the paper turns dark red, then its pH will be around 0 and hence it will be a strong acid. If a solution is producing orange color with universal indicator paper, then its pH will be about 4 and the solution will be a weak acid. Similarly, if a solution is producing blue color with the universal indicator paper and another solution is producing violet color with the universal indicator paper, then we can say the solution which gives violet color with the universal indicator is a strong base because it is having the pH about 14, and another solution which has produced the blue color with the universal indicator paper is having pH around 9 is a weak base. It means by observing the color change with pH paper or universal indicator paper, we are able to say about the pH value of the given solution. If a solution turns universal indicator paper green, then it will be a neutral solution. Now we can conclude the following points. A universal indicator is producing the different colors with different solutions having different pH values. Now question time. If you are provided with the two solutions X and Y, both are tested with the universal indicator paper. Solution X turns orange whereas solution Y turns red. Which of the solution is a stronger acid? Answer. The solution which turns the indicator paper to red is a stronger acid. Similarly, if you are provided with the two solutions A and B, solution A turns blue and whereas another solution B turns violet, then you can say second solution is stronger base than the first solution. Hope all of you have understood universal indicator and how to use the universal indicator paper or pH paper in order to determine the pH value of the solutions. Thank you.